The main bearing caps for LS style blocks typically have tight tolerances. This makes their removal both difficult and time-consuming without causing damage to the main cap. This is exactly why the PROFORM LS main cap removal tool is a must-have. Removing the main bearing caps doesn't have to be a pain. This premium tool from PROFORM is manufactured with durable corrosion resistance, a 6061 aluminum body, and steel Allen head bolt pivots that hold up to rigorous use time and time again. The tool features long, easy grip handles with machine grooved rings for a more secure hold and greater leverage. This will help you quickly move on to your next project. This is a premium tool, and since it's from PROFORM, it won't be at a premium price. If the PROFORM LS main cap removal tool will look great in your toolbox, then please check out the store locator in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.